So, why did you need to see me?
Margot, you've been doing amazingly well in your classes lately, so we're going to have you take some classes at the high school. You'll be back in time for lunch, so you can still see your friends.
Okay.
Nice chatting with you, Margot. I'll miss you in my class.
Mom, Bray, you're so slow. No, Bray, stay just the way you are. You're helping us win. Yeah, keep scoring those goals for us. It's only 20-6 thanks to you. Whatever. Have to go home and do homework anyways. See you tomorrow.
Whoa, is that a gumball machine? She can't control everything.